We are Prefabricated Resort Construction Company. We build your dream resort quickly, saving you time and money. Our prefabricated construction process is much faster than traditional methods. Enjoy high-quality resorts at a lower cost. Prefabricated buildings are more affordable due to efficient production and reduced labor expenses. We use top-grade materials and advanced technology to ensure that every resort is strong, durable, and built to last. We offer a wide range of design options and can customize every aspect to match your vision and needs. Our resorts are built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring safety and comfort for your guests year-round. Avoid energy costs with our well-insulated buildings. Our resorts are designed to be energy efficient, keeping your operational expenses low. Our experienced team of architects, engineers, and builders work together to deliver top-notch results. We are committed to excellence in every project. No matter where you are, we can deliver. Our prefabricated resorts can be shipped and assembled anywhere in the world.